We told you last night that the White House was planning to launch an investigation into a tax on technology companies imposed by the French government. And in fact, earlier today, French lawmakers did approve the so-called digital tax, setting up a fight with Washington. Kayla Tausche has our details.
The White House is fighting back as France moves closer to a new tax on tech companies. The U.S. Trade Representative launching an investigation that could result in new tariffs on France for the fees it says unfairly target U.S. companies for being global leaders. The proposal is named for Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple and would see about 30 digital services companies pay an extra 3% on their revenue in France. It's retroactive to cover this year. French Finance Minister Bruno Le Maire defended the move and challenged the U.S. Treasury Secretary, the G7, and OECD countries to reach an agreement.
As soon as there will be an international solution at the OECD level, France will withdraw its national taxation.
Experts say this fight is just beginning.
The bigger question is what will happen in the next several months, how other countries outside of the U.S. will react to this, whether or not it will inspire them to implement their own digital taxes, or whether or not it will be a warning not to implement these types of taxes until more international measures have moved forward.
The White House's counterpunch has been praised in Washington, from leading Republican lawmakers and business groups traditionally critical of tariffs to both hawks and doves advising the president. The irony, even as they hit back against new fees on tech overseas, regulators are ramping up their own scrutiny here at home. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Kayla Tausche in Washington.